embrace your inner Hermione. Let's go.
You make it your own.
Okay, ready?
Uh-oh.
Can we do it faster?
This one? This one, really?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Big one.
Scoot over here. Everybody scoot over there.
Okay.
Madeleine, you want to do it first?
Oh, sure. I haven't done this in so long. Oh, that looks like fun. I want to do it.
Okay, Brian Henry, I want you to stick with the gentleman over here. You want to stick with Mark?
Stick with me?
And Mark, I didn't introduce you. That's Jim and that's John.
We met downstairs, yes. Good to meet you.
Okay.
Let's go, Ashley.
Can you see Henry? Hold on. Look.
You guys didn't hear us. That's awesome.
But I have
I need
to film.
gloves next time.
Yes.
Miss Bell, take a bow.
Okay, let's go back to your organ lesson. She's actually taking a lesson right now.